shelf, it dice. Don't know nobody that cook that nice. Grab me a spoon, grab me a spoon, grab me a spoon, grab me a spoon. What would you say? I won't eat twice. I want them seconds of food that nice. Grab me a spoon, grab me a spoon, grab me a spoon, grab me a spoon. Walk on the potty and shelf, it dice. Don't know nobody that cook that nice. Grab me a spoon, give me a spoon, grab me a spoon, give me a spoon. What would you say? I won't eat twice. Yes, I want seconds of food that nice. Grab me a spoon, give me a spoon, grab me a spoon.
Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. About to make it happen again in this good kitchen. So we have some boneless chicken thighs right here. We're about to make it happen on the grill. We also have some shrimps. We'll make some bang bang shrimp out of that right there. And I had to go pick up me some blue crabs. So these blue crabs been on ice for about 2 hours. Because the family came over and my wife made a nice little dinner for the family. So it took her about 2 hours. So these bad boys, they should still be alive. Oh yeah. Look at him, he's still moving. Yeah, he's still moving. Yeah, so they a little shocked right now. So they still alive. So that's a good thing. Look at it, he moving around a little bit. So they been on ice for like 2 hours and some change. So what we do right now, but before we get started, I want to say happy Friday to the good family and friends. Happy Friday, y'all. You hear me? Nice toast. Now I'm gonna get started. So we're gonna take our chicken and give it a nice little slice. So we're gonna marinate this chicken for about 20 minutes. We'll put it on the grill. So we're doing each slice just like that there. We want that seasoning, that marinade, all that goodness get all between our chicken. Okay, so where I messed up at is I put some water in there so that water woke them up. So when you mess with these blue crabs, you want to just keep them on ice. You don't even want to add no water to them or nothing. It woke their whole game up. So how you clean these bad boys, you want to take this part off right here. So you want to just grab them by their little legs and grab their little private part. And you want to just open them up like that. You know what I mean? That's how you do it. Grab their legs, grab their little private part, just open them up. So this part of the crab, you don't want that. You want to take all that out right there. You know what I mean? Take all this out, because that's not no crab meat at all. So you got the little private part out. Now this the little mouthpiece. Hold on, make sure they ain't still alive. Get them, grab your little mouthpiece and just rip that off. You know what I mean? Rip that little mouthpiece off. The little face, whatever it is. Some people say you keep that part in there because that's the good, but you know, I'm not doing that pimp. You know what I mean? But hey, each for his own. You want to go ahead and clean all that out right there, so you don't have to worry about the crab no more. Turn it on for me. Just want to run your water and get all that out of there. But they say it's some good flavor right there. All that right there is good flavor. I don't remember my granny And my auntie and uncles and grandfather, I don't remember them doing that, you know what I mean? I probably didn't see that part. So I just want to get all that out of there and just clean everything out. Okay, so that's how your blue crab, you want it to look just like that. So now we'll go ahead and give it a nice little marinade seasoning. Couldn't find no lemon, so I got the little lemon juice. Same thing with the chicken, shrimp. We got our husky smoke liquid. Hickory smoke liquid, my bad. Hickory smoke liquid. My light ain't working right now in my kitchen. Alright, so we'll go ahead and smoke this chicken out because it's going on the grill. Boom. We have a sweet chili sauce right here. The chicken. If it'll come out. There we go. Okay. Same thing for our crab. Now we're gonna hit it with our seasoning. No, hold on, one more. Our sriracha sauce. You can't leave out the sriracha sauce. Alright. Our chicken, sriracha. Now we're gonna hit it with the dash seasoning. Boom. Now with the chicken, dash, shrimp, dash. Then we're gonna hit it with the paprika. Chicken. Shrimp. That paprika right there. Then we're gonna hit it with the Cajun seasoning, slap your mama seasoning. Our blue crab. Okay, that's going on the grill. Our chicken. Same thing, slap your mama. Shrimp, slap your mama. That's about over with there. Okay, so we go ahead and mix everything with the shrimp and the chicken. Mix everything in, and we'll go to the grill. Alright, so we're gonna put our chicken on. Boom. Just toss them bad boys right there. crab meat. So we let everything just marinate for 10 minutes. That's it. So that's how we looking right there. We have our crab meat on there. So we'll let them do their thing. Okay, so we have our all-purpose flour. We just go ahead and season it with this Tony's, no salt. Okay. Put that to the side. Now we have our measuring cup right here. We have 2 eggs. One. 2. And we have some heavy whipped cream. We'll mix that together. Okay, so we have everything mixed together. Now we'll go ahead and drop our shrimps in there. Okay, so we'll go ahead and coat these shrimps with our heavy whipped cream and egg. It's going right there, right into the flour, all-purpose flour. Okay. So we're gonna take each shrimp, put them in our batter. And we'll give them a nice coat with our all-purpose flour. We're gonna let it sit for about 8 minutes with that flour on there so that flour can soak into that shrimp. Alright, so we got 10 minutes in. Now we're gonna turn these bad boys over, just like so. Okay, so we'll go ahead and check the grease. Oh, we ready. Yep, we ready. And we'll get our shrimp in there. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and let them shrimp fry. And we'll get to the next. Okay, our shrimp is ready. We'll go ahead and fish these bad boys out, let it drain, and then make our sauce. Okay, so we're gonna make our sauce. I'm eyeballing everything. And we have our mayonnaise. A little soy sauce. Sweet chili sauce. Mix it in. A little sriracha sauce. This our bang bang sauce we making right now for our shrimp. That's how we looking right there. Our bang bang sauce. Okay, so your boy made it happen again on this Good Friday. Happy Friday to the good family and friends. You gotta excuse my shirt, cause I just say it like this: if it don't get all over the place, it don't blow into your face. You hear me? But this is what we have right here. Your boy made it happen again in this good kitchen. We have our bang bang shrimp. We have our crab meat, blue crab, looking lovely, delicious, off the grill. And we have our chicken off the grill. You know I have to dress it up with my sriracha sauce, you hear me? So what we're gonna do right now, I've been drinking, so I don't feel like eating that right now. But you know what? I'm gonna grab some of this right here. That piece right there. You know what I mean? Fire. That tastes good. That's great. For sure. Hold on, let me get another piece right. Watch this right here. I'm gonna get that piece right there. We'll go hit it one more time. For sure. So that's how we looking. Right here. And it's a good kitchen. Look at the bang bang shrimp though. My bad I don't have too much light, because I got the twins right here. The twins are sleeping right here. So I don't want to turn on too much light. But other than that, we looking good in the hood. Our blue crab. That bang bang shrimp. When I say it's delicious, that bang bang shrimp is delicious. For real. So the wife just go ahead and just put the camera on everything. You hear me? Did my thing in the kitchen. Did my thing on the grill outside. Made it happen. Happy Friday to my good family and friends. And I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget to hit that bell notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice.